In this tutorial, we'll learn how to edit and manage an event you already created on the ComeTogether ticket marketplace. To modify an event, click on the dashboard icon. Beneath the event analytics, which we discussed in this video, you'll find a list of all your events. Select the arrow corresponding to the event you wish to edit and the details will expand. This view displays all ticket categories and the validator list. By clicking the Suspend button, you can unpublish your event, turning it into a draft. The Edit Event button takes you to a page filled with details we input during the event creation process. Everything on this page can be changed, with the exception of the dynamic QR code and voucher type options. Returning to the prior screen, let's delve into the Ticket Categories section. To rearrange the ticket order, simply click and drag the ticket category to the desired position. To modify a ticket category, click the pen icon and make the necessary adjustments. If you need to add a new category, click the plus icon and input the necessary details. To remove a ticket category, hit the bin icon and then confirm. For distributing invitation tickets, click on the three dots icon followed by the Send Free Tickets option that appears. Select the Add Invitation Ticket category button. Once you've added this new ticket category, select the new number of tickets you wish to send per person, then list the recipient's emails in the section below, one email per row. Remember, the number displayed indicates invitations per email, so to send a single invitation ticket to every email on your list, simply input the number 1. Lastly, for adjustments to the Ticket Validators list, use the plus icon to add a new validator or the bin icon to remove an existing one.